giant swing.
I actually have a question on Microsoft. Can I ask it?
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
On the 2-minute EWO at 10:22 to 10:28, would any of that be considered a break and hold? Because I got on the 2-minute EWO going to the upside before that.
Nope. Let me tell you why. All right, hold on. Let me show you. So you're talking about these two reds?
Yes.
Nope. Why? Hold on. I'm going to ask everybody right now. Why would we have not gotten in on those? There's a couple reasons, but tell me the primary reason why we would not have entered on those puts.
They're
The
flat.
second's not
Same
bigger.
size.
Same
first?
size. Yep.
Yeah, they're flat.
Same size candles means no entry. Why is that?
No momentum.
Sign of weakness. There you go.
No momentum. I got in on the call before that, and I want to know if I should have gotten out on those two candles.
Yes, because
Just for future reference.
it changed colors. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Thank
you were in the beginning of the trade and it changes colors, you get out. If you were, if it was way up and it changes colors, you don't worry so much because you're still so much in profit. But if you are in the beginning of the trade, which this is, yes, you immediately would get out because it changed color. Yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Got it.
Hey, Coach, I have a question about the size and like what you were just saying, how it's the same size.
Uh-huh.
You know how sometimes when it starts bigger and then you buy it and then it ends up shrinking and like then what?
Well, that's okay as long as it still makes sense to everything you're doing, right?
Right.
That's okay. If it does that, it's okay, but it has to still make sense. Is it above VWAP? Is it not? Was it a call? Was it a put? What's it doing? What's the overall momentum? What's super trend telling you? What is the overall trend? Is it an up stock? Is it a down? Where is it at? Has it been running up all day? Has it been running down? Are you trying to buy a call when it's been a put all day? Are you trying to buy a put when it's been a call all day? Why are you doing it? Is it anywhere near VWAP? Because you know not to buy anything near VWAP. Why? Because it doesn't have a clear definitive direction to go up or down. Did you buy it in the first 30 minutes of the day or the last hour of the day? Because you already know those are the two hardest times to decide, right? Okay.
Right.
Okay, good deal.
The fastest masterclass ever.
Now let me
500
let me show you this. Does everybody watch my screen? You see this? We don't have an entry on this one until one of these candles. And it's really questionable on this candle because they're not bigger than the previous candles. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
These candles are all the same size, so we don't enter on them, do we? That's a sign of weakness, right?
Right on. Right
So
on.
Yes.
until it goes bigger, bingo, and then we're in the trade somewhere in here, rock and roll. You just made more money than you ever had, and all you had to do was look down here. There you go. Otherwise, you guys would have got in on the 2-minute, which is this third candle. Do you see it? We just discussed this. Why didn't we get in on the second candle?
Same size.
There you go. Starting to make sense
was
now, everybody?
Always does.
Now, to answer your question, remember the gentleman asked me a question earlier. Said, well, what happens if you enter the trade and the 2-minute EWO, the next candle goes lower? It happened right here, didn't it? See this candle? See it?
Smaller.
Do we panic?
Not yet.
Nope. Because we're in a call. We're above VWAP. The overall trend is to the upside. Super trend has said, go ahead. Everything looks good, right? I don't see a reason. Why would I get out of that? I still use my 25 to 40% rule until it tells me otherwise. Like if I'm in a call and it drops below VWAP, why would I be in it, right?
When you get a chance, can you take a look at Tesla? Looks like volume's increasing. However, the upside trend broke to the downside.
Tesla. Yep, I see what you're talking about. Listen, anytime these are tough because you're trying to enter a call when the whole day's been down, right?
Yeah.
So it's always tough to go against the grain. It doesn't mean we can't, but more often than not, what'll happen is they'll get a surge to the upside. It'll then come right back down, break below VWAP, and then get trashed. So, if you're running off the 2 minutes, go ahead. Just be careful of VWAP. You've already made money here. You already made a ton of money here. This one right here, take the rest of the month off. This one right here, just go on a 2-week vacation to France. That's about what you get, right?
Yeah. I mean, I was down $200. Now I'm up close
Right.
to 700.
Yep. So as long as you're following down here, right, not trying to scalp this thing, you'll be fine.
Check. Thanks, coach.
Nice job.